Hi guys, my name is Sharan and welcome to Multiplex on my channel.
Selling for been on the macho like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your bandit. The killers understand it.
Nowadays, doctors are mostly affecting due to corona. The main reason behind this is physical contact between patient and doctor. To reduce that, I made this project. This is IoT based smart ventilator system. In this, main key features are ECG system and pulse rate and blood oxygen saturation and body temperature as well as room temperature. We are uploading this whole data into the cloud. The doctor can monitor the patient status wherever he is. Okay, let's see the physical demonstration. This is the ECG sensor and this is the Max 30100 pulse oximeter and this is waterproof temperature sensor and this is THT11 room temperature and humidity sensor and this is 0.96 inch OLED display which displays pulse rate and as well as blood oxygen saturation levels. In this ventilator, I am using 3 knobs. This is 3 potentiometers which controls delay between inhale and exhale. Using this pot, we can increase or decrease the gap between inhale and exhale. In this pot, this is the pressure pot. Using this pot, we can increase or decrease the pressure, and this is RPM pot. Using this pot, we can control the RPM of the motor. So this is the physical demonstration. Now let's see the working. In this ventilator system, I used a stepper motor. The stepper motor does not contain any feedback loops, so the shaft does not know where it is. So to take the feedback, I use the calibration system. So let's check it out. We will see the physical construction later, that is internal structure later. Now in this video, let's check the outermost construction only. So now I am switching on the ventilator. Now the motor is trying to calibrate itself, and here you can see the initialization, and here you can see the BPM and pulse and blood oxygen saturation. So now I will wear that. Now you can see my pulse rate and blood oxygen saturation here in this display, and as well as we can check it in our mobile. So here you can see the pulse rate and blood oxygen saturation levels. Actually, it's not stable. That's the reason it's fluctuating like that. If we are stable, then values are stable. Okay, now the values are stabilizing. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's see the body temperature also. So I am turning on the body temperature. So here you can see the body temperature and room temperature. Now I will wear that. So here you can see the increase in the temperature. This is the room temperature and room humidity. This is the body temperature. It may take 2 to 3 minutes to stabilize the value. And I am turning on the ECG. Now let's check the ECG values. Now this is the ECG system. We have to wear these pads in left side of heart and right side of heart, and as well as near the stomach. We have to remove these pads and we have to wear, but I don't want to spoil my pads, so to demonstrate you, I am removing this and I am wearing here to show you sample graph. Apart of monitoring in laptop, we can monitor as well as in our mobile also. So this is my data. This is the physical construction, guys. Here I used a stepper motor, and this is my control unit. Now in the initial position, the servo motor does not know where it is. So now it's trying to calibrate. Here I kept a limit switch to indicate that is the initial position. After calibrating, the working of the ventilator starts. This is the outlet pipe and this is inlet pipe which is connected to the oxygen cylinder.